Hi, do you have any 10-cup coffee makers there?
You know what? Let me get out and take a look, okay?
Thanks.
Okay, no problem. One sec. I've got a 10-cup bun, and then I have a 12-cup, like a Proctor Silex.
Okay, how much is the 10-cup coffee maker?
The bun 10-cup is 109.
109?
Yep, and then the 12-cup Proctor Silex is 26.
Okay.
Yep, different. The bun is the automatic, keeps it hot all the time in the back, and then instant pour through.
Mm-hmm.
That's their commercial one.
Okay. And the 12-cup is how much?
$26.99.
$26.99. Okay, thank you very much.
No problem. Thanks.
Bye-bye.
For the pharmacy, press 1. For electronics, press 4. For the photo lab, press 5. For the Target Clinic, press 6. To speak to the store operator, please wait or press 0. Please stay on the line while your call is transferred to the operator.
This is the operator. Can I help you find something?
Yes, I'm looking for a coffee maker.
Okay, just a moment, please. I'll transfer you.
Thank you.
Hi, this is Kitchenware. Can I find something?
Yes, can you tell me how much are your 10-cup coffee makers?
10-cup coffee makers. 1 second, please.
Thank you.
Yep. Are you still there?
I am.
Okay, so the cheaper ones we have, they can be Mr. Coffee and Sunbeam. It was $17.99 to $29.99, but those are actually 12 cups.
Okay.
And for a 10-cup itself, we only carry 3 that are more expensive. One's made by Mr. Coffee, and the other ones are made by Bunn, B-U-N-N.
Mm-hmm.
They range from $99 to $100 to $140.
Okay, can you tell me again the cheapest one?
The cheapest one we carry is the Mr. Coffee 12 cup.
And how much is it?
And it's $17.99.
$17.99?
$17.99.
Okay.
Yep. And we also actually have this week we have Sunbeam that's on sale, which is regular price $19.99. That's $17.99 this week as well.
Oh, wonderful. So 2 for $17.99.
Pretty much. Yep.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Thank you. Yep. Bye now.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for calling Safe Okay, Mary. How may I help you?
I'm looking for a coffee maker.
Okay, hold on 1 second.
It's call Kmart. How can I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for a 10-cup coffee maker. I'm wondering if you can tell me how much those are.
10-cup coffee maker?
Yes.
Can you hold on for a moment? Let me check for you. Hello?
Yes.
Oh, we have our 12-cup coffee makers, and they
Okay.
range from $12.99 to about $50.
Okay, $12.99 you said?
Yep.
And the top end is $50?
Yep.
Okay, thank you very much. Bye-bye.